Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to open a bank account in Italy. First, navigate to the UniCredit website on your browser. Now scroll down the site to view its features and account details. It is an initiative reserved for new customers, adults, and residents in Italy who have not turned 30 on the date of the launch of the initiative. You can discover UniCredit My Care Futuro, the policy to think about the future of your loved ones today. The Genius account has a promo fee of 0.90 euros per month instead of 2.90 euros for openings. It has over 2,000 branches throughout Italy and is reserved for individuals of legal age and residents in Italy. The Genius Buddy account has a promo fee of 0 euros per month instead of 2.90 euros for openings. It is reserved for natural persons, including freelancers and self-employed workers with VAT numbers who are adults and residents of Italy. Then select an account and click Find Out More to view its details. Here click Open it online to continue. You can change its language to English to make it understandable. After translating, click the Continue button. It'll show you the Genius account fee and click Continue to move to the next step. After that, select the option to register the account. Then continue to start with personal details including your name, tax code, and more. Accept the privacy policy on the processing of personal data and hit Continue to create your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.